Hello guys, welcome to the another video of Tech by RR. In this video, I will show you how panorama mode works and what is the use of it. And we will also see the features of best background eraser app, photoroom that I generally use. So let's get started. What is panorama mode? Panorama mode is used if we want to capture a view or a scenery in just one picture. We use panorama mode. This is normal picture that I clicked using general mode. Now let's see how panorama mode works. Just open camera in your mobile, go to more option and click on panorama. Click on start option and slide your phone slowly to capture the full scenery. As you can see, we have captured whole view in just one picture. Now let's see best background eraser app, that is photoroom, that I generally use. You can find this app on Play Store. Click on start from photo, choose an image from which you have to remove your background. As you can see, background gets erased automatically and now you can place background of your choice. There are many background options available here. In addition to background, there are many options available here to edit the background and an image. So these are some of the features of photoroom. If you loved the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Tech by RR.